Natural language processing. Unlock the power of NLP to analyze, understand, and generate human language. Explore the possibilities of this exciting field. What is natural language processing? Definition. NLP refers to the ability of a computer to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Importance. NLP is crucial for tasks such as sentiment analysis, speech recognition, and translation. Examples. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant all use NLP to enable voice interactions with users. Applications of NLP. Healthcare. NLP is used to analyze medical records and assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. Media. NLP helps analyze news articles and identify important trends and topics. Business. NLP enables chatbots to understand and respond to customer inquiries in real time. Challenges faced in NLP. Ambiguity. Human language is full of ambiguity and complexity, making it difficult for computers to interpret. Cultural differences. Language often varies based on cultural backgrounds, which can lead to inaccuracies in interpretation. Data quality. NLP requires large amounts of high-quality training data, which can be difficult to obtain in certain domains. Basic techniques in NLP. Tokenization. The process of breaking down text into individual words or phrases. Part of speech. POS. Tagging. The process of labeling words with their corresponding parts of speech. Sentiment analysis. The process of determining the emotional tone of a piece of text. NLP tools and resources. Spacy. A popular NLP library that provides support for tokenization, POS tagging, and named entity recognition. NLTK. A comprehensive suite of NLP tools for Python that includes support for many different tasks, from sentiment analysis to machine translation. Future of natural language processing. Advancements in deep learning. Recent developments in deep learning are likely to accelerate progress in NLP. Improved accuracy. As more data becomes available and algorithms become more sophisticated, we can expect NLP to become even more accurate. New applications. NLP has the potential to revolutionize fields such as law, education, and politics in the future. Summary and conclusion. NLP has already begun to change the way we interact with technology and will continue to shape the future of computing and human communication. As NLP continues to advance, it will bring new and exciting opportunities to a wide range of industries. Stay tuned for more developments in this fascinating field. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.